Hi, this is Jane from the SC4 library, and I'm going to show you how to use Gale Literature Resource Center. It's a very easy database to use to find literary critiques. So go to the library homepage and you can just Google SC4 space library to get there, or there's a link on the SC4 homepage or in the portal. I'm going to scroll down to databases. Jump to the G's, and it's Gale Literature Resource Center. If you are off campus, it will prompt you to log in with your SC4 email address and password. So I'm going to use the topic Anne Sexton, or the poet Anne Sexton. I found 468 critiques that mention Anne Sexton in them. So that's way too many to look through, but I can narrow it down using those Boolean operators. So I'm going to use and let's say I'm looking for everything that mentions the word myth and Anne Sexton. Now I've narrowed it down to 187, still quite a few to look through. There are biographies also that mention Anne Sexton and myth, overviews, and so on. Ways to narrow down. I'm going to click on the first one. Near the top, it gives me the citation information. But I can also, if I want to use the article, the full text follows, because almost all the articles in Gale Literature Resource Center are full text online. To cite it, I can click up here on Cite. Gale databases give you the MLA citation first, but some of our other databases don't, so be sure you're using MLA for this class. You can copy and paste it, or just click Select and Copy into your Works Cited page. You can also email it to yourself, download a PDF of the article, or print it. Many of our databases will read the article off to you. So if I clicked on listen, it would just start reading the article. The Gale databases also give you options for display. So I can change the type of font, switch around to different types of font, and also background colors. You can also change line spacing, letter spacing. For example, if I want to widen it up a little bit, I can do that, or back to default. You can also make larger, increase font size, or make it smaller. So it's a very easy database to use. If you need help, please contact us in the library. At the library homepage, there's contact information. You can text us, 24/7 chat, call us, email us. Thank you.